everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Amcrest Skyview. Now this is the same quadcopter as the Skylight that I previously reviewed, but this one has the 720p camera in it. The other one did not have a camera. So we want to thank Amcrest for sending this out for review. Here's some of the specs on the side here. It's got a 720p 30 frames per second camera, 2.4 gigahertz wireless controller, 100 meter range, 520 milliamp hours on the battery, 7 minutes flight time, and you got your weight here, 0.5 pounds. And you can also fly it with the phone, but why would you want to, right? Okay, because phones are terrible for the quadcopters. There's some of the features: headless mode, 1 key return, 360 flips, auto hover, smartphone control, and camera. So let's just get it out of the box and take a look at it. Here's what you get in there. You get your bag of stuff, the goodie bag as it's called. You got the extra props, the screwdriver, and the charging cable. You got the quadcopter itself. The battery just squeezes and pulls out like that. And pops it back in. There's the camera, the 720p camera right there in the front. It's got prop guards, and when I take it outside to fly it, I'm going to remove them. Has a micro SD card slot right here in the back. That's a 32 gig in there. It will go up to a 32 gig. Here's the transmitter, and it's your typical stuff, you know, the rates, the flips, video start, video stop, trims, headless mode, 1 key return, you know, the normal stuff, the way most of them are laid out. You know, it's not complicated. You'll be able to dive right in. Okay, here's the phone holder. We're going to fire up the app now to show you that. Let's turn on the quadcopter. Let's turn on the transmitter. Now we're going to pair that or do the level calibration, which we just did. That's down and to the right. Now let's go to the Wi-Fi, and here's the Wi-Fi name right there. Skyview 720p, right? Yeah. So you just click that. There's no password. And the app is right here. It's called Amcrest Skyview, right there. And I'm just going to hit fly. And it's going to come up on the screen right there. Then there's some settings over here for you if you want to try some settings out. That has the flip and the VR and the headless and the calibrate. So I'm going to turn the controls off because it has the control button on there if you want to fly it with the phone, which you don't want to. You want to use the controller. Trust me, okay? The video is already recording. I don't know why I didn't hit it. But there you go. You see that the app works. There it is, right there. Film in the kitchen. There's nothing in that fridge, by the way. I need to go shopping. Okay, so we got to get some shopping done. But I'm going to take it off over here right off in the kitchen for a second so you can see, you know, what it sounds like and stuff when it's flying. Okay, you can just arm the motors with the button. Oh, sorry, with the button right there, and just take off. Put it in the second rate. Okay, so there you go. Let's go get it outside and fly it. Alright guys, we're out here with the Amcrest Skyview drone right there, the model A4W. This is the one that has the video as compared to the other one like this that didn't use the video. So we got the Skyview app all running already. I am going to shoot a screen recording just in case, okay, that this thing don't work. Okay. I have a lot of trouble with this video sometimes, so I'm not going to take chances. Okay, we're going to get those controls off the screen. We're going to hit record, and we're recording. You calibrate the gyro, and let me take off. Oh. I left the prop guards on this one. I want to see what it does for the flight time, how it affects it. Because the other one I took the prop guards off. So we'll see what the difference is in the prop guards. The other one I know was pretty damn near 9 minutes. We'll get a look at the video. On the screen, the video looks really clear. Now, it doesn't give you any telemetry or anything like that. But it is up there, you know. You can see the prop guards in the video. That's one thing I can tell you. So I'm just trying to hold it still to get some decent looking video on it. But the prop guards are coming through, and it's breaking up a little bit too. Actually, I lost. Oh, there it goes. And it's going in the tree. It's going into the tree. Hold on, I'm trying to bring it down. Let me try to walk over there. Okay, I'm just glad it landed because it was going, you know, it was going to fly away. Okay. So that was going to be a flyaway. So I'm glad it was able to catch that bind there at the last second, and I was able to pull it down. But I wasn't able to do anything else with it. Now that wasn't no 100 meters, I can assure you of that. Here it is over here. Oh. So that was just a couple of 100 feet actually. But, you know, it is what it is. There's the dugout from the JJRC Aircus. Okay. So we didn't lose it or anything. We found it. But I wouldn't try to go out no 300 meters or 100 meters or whatever it was. 300 feet, no way. Flies nice and tight, you know. It's a backyard flyer. It's what it is. Just like the other one. Boy, it really got hot today, guys. It went back up into the high 80s. Man, it's boiling. That's why I'm over here in the shade. Yeah, right like this, it flies great, you know. There, I lost the bind again. So it's I guarantee you that's that Wi-Fi. That's that Wi-Fi interference messing with it. Yeah, right when I was making that bank turn right there, it's just like nothing. There was no input. I was like, oh crap, there it goes into the fence. But no, that didn't happen. But okay, while I still got a little bit of battery left, I'm gonna get over here, stop the video, land it, land already. And I am going to turn off the Wi-Fi. Stop the screen recording too. I am shutting off the Wi-Fi. And the phone. And popping off the prop guards. See if we can get a couple of minutes without the prop guards and any of that crap. Let's rebind or re-level it and take off without no Wi-Fi or anything going. Okay, let me take it over here and take it up there like I did the other one. Okay, I'm rocking it, you see it. I'm not losing any bind on that. Okay. It might be just Wi-Fi interfering with the transmitter, that's all. But you just got to be careful. You know, you got to be careful when you're flying these with that Wi-Fi. Sometimes it'll interfere and it'll cause you to lose your deal there. Your bind, and then you'll get a flyaway. But it flies good. It's just as nimble as the other one. It's exact blah blah. Okay, I'll spit it out here eventually, right? It's the exact same quadcopter as the other one, except that it's white and the other one's black, and this one has video and the other one don't. I think I saw a light flash in there. Hold on. Yep. Okay, so the battery indicators go in the low battery alarm. We'll just sit here and wait for it to fall, which it will do any second. There it goes. That was precision landing, completely by accident. Okay. All right, guys, there you go. The Amcrest Skyview. It's a beauty right there. I think it flies great. Just be careful with the Wi-Fi lag. But let's get a look to see what the video looks like, right? We want to see that. And I got it backed up on the screen recorder, so even if it didn't come out on the micro SD card, at least I got the screen recorder. But it did look clear. You know, the video did look clear, so that's a good sign. All right, guys, have a nice day.